Is there a God? To explore this, let's look at one of the most incredible parts of life itself, DNA. Found in nearly every living cell, DNA contains the blueprint for building and sustaining life. Imagine it as a biological language, a code, written with 4 letters: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. These bases pair up to form a long, structured chain, more sophisticated than any human language or computer code. But DNA isn't just a structure, it's a message, a set of instructions so specific that it builds each one of us, from a single cell to a fully formed being. The structure of DNA alone is extraordinary. It's shaped like a double helix, a twisty ladder that can split perfectly in two to replicate itself. This precise design enables DNA to pass down information from one generation to the next. Think about it. An advanced information system with near-perfect accuracy functioning for billions of years. In engineering and computer science, we know such systems require planning, design, and maintenance. DNA's structure, so intentional and precise, suggests there's something purposeful behind it. It's not just about the structure, it's the information it carries. Just like a book has specific words and sentences to make sense, DNA has a sequence of letters that contains precise instructions. Each sequence builds specific proteins essential for life. Proteins that carry oxygen in our blood, control our heartbeat, and so much more. Alter just a few letters in these sequences and everything changes. This incredible organization and specificity in DNA makes it clear this isn't random. It's structured, ordered, and purposeful, as if every letter in the code has been carefully placed. Imagine you find a book filled with meaningful, coherent sentences. You wouldn't think the words just fell into place over time. You'd recognize that there's an author behind it. DNA, with its complexity and precision, holds a code more intricate than any human book. This genetic text suggests an author of life, purposefully arranging life to function as it does. Some argue DNA developed naturally, but consider the odds. The probability of meaningful information forming is so low, it's almost impossible. Just as random keystrokes won't create a novel, random DNA arrangements don't produce life. Calculations show that the chance of a functional DNA sequence arising purely by chance is astronomically small. While DNA undergoes minor changes to adapt, its initial information-rich structure suggests purposeful design. Then there's the remarkable fact that DNA doesn't operate alone. Inside cells, a system reads, translates, and executes DNA's instructions with precision. Ribosomes read the DNA and produce proteins exactly as instructed, while enzymes help replicate DNA accurately. Imagine a library filled with books and machines that can read, interpret, and act on each book's instructions. This is what's happening in our cells, a fully integrated system, working together to make life possible. Now, when we encounter complex systems like these, especially those involving information storage and retrieval, we think of them as the product of intelligence. Codes don't randomly emerge, they're created with purpose. Every time we see a functional code, we know there's a mind behind it. DNA's role in storing and transmitting vast amounts of information makes a strong case for an intelligent designer. The design of DNA is incredibly adaptable. Built into this code is the ability for life to respond and survive in different environments while maintaining its essential structure. DNA includes mechanisms for repair and minor changes, allowing organisms to adapt without collapsing. Such resilience and adaptability hint that life was designed to endure. It's as if life was made to withstand and thrive across countless challenges, all embedded within the DNA code. DNA is a powerful argument for a creator, a force that designed life with structure, adaptability, and purpose. DNA acts like a language pointing to an author. It's a code suggesting a coder. This is not just molecules, it's the foundation of life, revealing a creator who crafted the world with precision and intelligence. So to conclude, DNA isn't just a molecule, it's a message. It's a carefully coded set of instructions working within a perfect system to create and sustain life. When we examine DNA, we're seeing evidence of intelligent design, a sign that life didn't emerge by chance but was shaped with care and purpose. The sophistication of DNA brings us face to face with the answer to a profound question: Is there a God?